Cleaning the infuser. The infuser must be cleaned at least once a month. Make sure the machine is correctly turned off. Remove the water tank. Open the infuser door on the right side. Press the two red release buttons inwards and at the same time pull the infuser outwards. Soak the infuser in water for about 5 minutes, then rinse under the tap. Clean the infuser without using washing up liquid, as it could be damaged. Use the brush to remove any coffee residues left in the infuser housing, visible through the infuser door. After cleaning, replace the infuser by sliding it onto the internal support. Then push the push symbol fully in until it clicks into place. Close the infuser door. Replace the water tank.